Hello and welcome. I'm Professor John Dickinson. I'm just here to just briefly discuss the opportunity to do postgraduate research in exercise respiratory problems. Why this is a big topic of debate is because a lot of athletes, up to 50% of athletes, report respiratory symptoms. A lot of these athletes are misdiagnosed with issues like asthma. And one of the reasons for that is because respiratory symptoms are non-specific. So a lot of the research we do within our department is looking at how we can help improve the diagnosis of respiratory conditions in athletes. And one of those respiratory conditions might be asthma-related conditions. We know that athletes are more susceptible to asthma than the non-athletic population. And so some of our research, we might look at some of the reasons why athletes are more susceptible to asthmatic-like conditions, looking at the best ways to treat these athletes, best way to detect these athletes. So even though we have detection and treatment pathways, we still need more information around supporting our thoughts on these areas, and also refining them to improve it for elite athletes, but also recreational athletes as well. And another thing we're interested in is actually for athletes that maybe they have significant respiratory issues, but it's not an asthma-related condition that's causing it, or it doesn't explain it totally. We're also interested in looking at what other causes of those symptoms. And one of these things could be looking at breathing pattern. We know a lot of individuals experience problems with breathing at high intensities of exercise. When we've investigated this more closely, we see that a lot of these problems are related to breathing pattern, the movement of the rib cage and the abdomen, and the coordination between the rib cage and abdomen movement. So a lot of the work we're doing at the moment is looking at understanding the movement of the upper torso and how that movement impacts an individual's breathing pattern and their sensations of breathing during high intensity exercise. So if you're interested in any of those areas, my email address is j.w.dickinson@kent.ac.uk. Feel free to email me. And in addition to this, I do also supervise students doing other projects as well. So please do get in touch if you are interested in any other sport and exercise science research.